Come here. Come see her.
What? This one? Chase? Chase? It's Chase.
Come over here. Come over here.
Downstairs. Hey, come downstairs. I can do it.
What's wrong with Chase?
You're mad.
She is mad.
It's Zeke's.
I think there's something wrong with her. Look, there's Zeker's upstairs. You're cornered, bitch. No, don't say that word. Mommy said which.
Cat.
Chase, chill out. Go upstairs. Look, it's just Aiden. It's just Aiden, you weirdo.
Hey, Fredo. Hey, Chase.
Look. It's okay. Come here. Oh. Careful. Chasey doesn't want you. Here, let's take your jacket off. Okay? I think your jacket's scaring Chasey.
Hey, here's Chasey.
Yeah, let's take your jacket off. Alright, see? Back to normal, you devil cat. See, he's in his PJs now. It's okay. It's okay. Whoa. Why do you not like Aiden right now?
I'm scared.
Yeah, Chasey's mean. Chasey's mad. Alright, let's go over here. Come on, let's go downstairs. Do you want to go jump?
Okay.